What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Sneakerbot Club, where we post live cops, tutorials, and reviews. Today's video is going to be a live cop of the Yeezy 700 V2 creams. Alright, so let's get right into it. Alright, so first drop of the day we have Undefeated. I made a couple changes to my Shopify setup. Right now I'm running 5 Chrome checkpoint harvesters, and let's see how this goes. And the drop's going to be in about 20 seconds. I'm going to drop my delays. Processing. Still processing. Got one pair. Another pair. Card declined. Damn. So I got lucky with some pretty good captures, and I was able to grab one pair from Undefeated, size 11. Alright, before we move on to the next drop, I wanted to share a really quick Shopify tip with you guys. I'm going to be going over how to deal with slow or hard to solve captures. So if you find yourself missing out on drops because of capture issues, here's a little trick that might help. So the first thing you want to do is run more checkpoint solvers, as many as you can fit on the screen. Now you might be thinking,
but I can only solve one captcha at a time. Why do I need more?
Well, the more solvers you have, the better your chances are of getting easy to solve captchas. You don't need to solve all of the captchas, you only need to solve one for each checkout. So during the drop, once the checkpoint solvers start to pop up, I want you guys to focus on this little area of the solver right here. If you see small text here that reads click until there are none left, then you want to completely avoid that solver. These are the solvers that contain the slow fading images or multi-step captchas. So during a drop, let all the checkpoint captchas pop up, then scan all of your solvers until you see one without that text and solve that one. If your Gmail account is any good, it'll be a quick 2 or 3 click captcha. Alright, now let's move on to Yeezy Supply. Alright, so for the Yeezy Supply drop, I ran my usual setup. I ran Dashe and Sole AIO. For proxies, I ran Slash and Nocturnal proxies. About 90% of my tasks were residential proxies, and the other 10% were all using ISP proxies. Alright, now let's see how it went. Alright, so for that drop, I was lucky enough to grab 11 pairs from Yeezy Supply. Again, shout out to Slash and Nocturnal Proxies for providing the proxies that work best on Yeezy Supply. If you want to pick up some Nocturnal proxies, be sure to use my discount code SneakerbotClub to get 15% off. Alright, up next we have Kith at 7 AM PST. So for this drop, I ran my usual setup, Sole AIO with Black Hat ISP proxies on an AWS server. Now I actually made a small mistake on this drop. I accidentally set my monitor delay to 111 instead of 1111, but it still worked out in the end. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I know it was short, but we got a lot more drops coming up, so be sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Be sure to check out all of my sponsors. I'll have them all linked down below. Alright guys, catch you in the next one. Peace.